Okay, now welcome back to the continuation of topic, students. So now next continuation of this topic like apiculture and also beekeeping. To discuss last video lecture of the students important of definition of apiculture and the important age-old cottage industry and the important four available species in India, that is called Apis mellifera, Apis serena indica and Apis florea and also Apis dorsata. So generally called in India level students the European bee, Indian bee, little bee and also the rock bee. So this is the four important bees in the last lecture. Student, now discuss continuation of basic requirement. So what is the main basic requirement of this industry like apiculture industry? So I'll write on the board heading, students, important basic requirement. What is the basic requirement? So what is the main basic requirement of this industry? So first of all, student, the first basic industry of requirement, sufficient location sufficient area. Sufficient area is the main important to establish or to start production of industry apiculture. Now second one, students, suitable location. Suitable location like the city outskirts or city far of the areas, means surrounding atmospheric area is important. That is the suitable location. There is no the vehicle or pollution or any the population crowded area. This is important, suitable location. Now third one, students, important, gum sheet. Gum sheets means to which the after produce wax or honeys in the protect the complete the paper of the gum sheets. Now fourth one, students, uncupping knife. What is that? Uncupping knife. Now the fifth one, students, proper material maintenance. Now the proper material maintenance is the main of the basic requirement of five important to start apiculture industry. First of all, suitable sufficient area, second is suitable location, and third gum sheets and uncupping knife and proper material maintenance. This is the students basic requirement of apiculture industry. Clear? So what next? Next one, students, actually the main important in need level, bee colony. So what is bee colony? Actually, students, bees available in our India, there are three different species. So that three different species in one of the offspring method to explain bee colony. So first of all, students, number one, first bee colony, queen. Is also considered as the type of bees in our school level of the concept. So let's just discuss in few minutes the important need level, how many species available in bees aspect. So queen. So what is queen? Actually, students, queen also considered as the fertile female. So this is I'll write on the board, fertile female or fertile female. Sorry, fertile female. So this is the first one. Is only laying eggs. Students, I repeat, is only laying eggs. So it's only laying eggs. Okay, this is the first species, queen. Now second one, students, drone. So what is drone? Drone also called or considered as haploid male. So it is called, students, haploid male. Haploid male. So now the third one, students, worker. Third one is worker. It is also called, students, sterile female. Sterile female. So this is the important three colonies: queen, type of bee, drone and worker. So queen also called, students, fertile female, haploid male and also the sterile female. So this is the important bee colonies. And one more thing to you, students, what is the main important production of wax in this industry? but this wax actually produced in the second to fifth abdominal segment in the bees. So I repeat students, the important question in NEET level, what is the exactly segment of this kind of question in our NEET level students. So wax is produced from exactly which segment of the bees of insects. So that is the main answer students. Wax produced in second to fifth abdominal segment. It's most important, abdominal segment. So this is the students important, the wax production students. Clear? So like wax produced in second to fifth abdominal segment in the our bee abdominal cavity. So this is the students important basic requirement and also important bee colonies. Okay. Now what next? The next we will discuss about students the important of means the economical importance of bees, of honey and wax. Okay. Right.